Welcome to the step-by-step guide for registration and login on the PSCBC portal. Go to the LabourNet URL. Click on Create Account. Complete all the required fields, then click on Submit. You will now receive an email with your pre-registration link. Click on this link to complete your registration. Select your stakeholder type, click on the Data Source button. A pop-up window will appear. On this window, you can select your stakeholder type as Union Representative. Click on Submit. To select your union name, click on the Data Source button. Again, a pop-up window will appear where you can search for and select your union. Once your details have been captured, you can click on Submit. Your registration request will now be sent to Council for review. Once approved, you will receive an email confirming your registration. On the confirmation email, you will receive a link to log in to the PSCBC portal. On the sign-in page, enter your login details and click on Sign In. You now have an active profile with access to the PSCBC portal.